Located in the beautiful city of Yangzhou, Jiangsu Yawei Machine Tool Company Limited has been a pioneer in the machine tool industry for over 60 years. With the turbulent state of the world economy and the rapid innovation in science and technology, Yawei has grown from the original Chengcheng iron factory to a leading manufacturer of high-end metal forming machine tools and is continually striving to be leaders in developing intelligent solutions for discrete manufacturing applications. In March 2011, Yawei was listed on the Shenzhen Stock Exchange, which has opened up a new platform for the development of the company. In 2017, the company, together with the provincial, municipal, and district governments, jointly initiated the establishment of a 1 billion yuan investment fund for the smart manufacturing industry, which further promoted the two-wheel drive development strategy of continued development and extended expansion. Focused on upgrading the smart manufacturing industry, the business of Yawei stock consists of 3 business groups: Metal Forming Machine Tool Business Group, Laser Intelligent Equipment Business Group, Intelligent Manufacturing System Solutions Business Group. For many years, our metal forming machine tools have been preferred choice for domestic and foreign customers. Thanks to the combination of industry-leading technology and premium product quality, Yawei has a leading market share of CNC turret punch presses, CNC bending machines, and decoiling shear line products, which breaks foreign monopolies and achieves import substitution. Intelligent laser cutting equipment has become the main factor which is driving the rapid development of Yawei. With many accumulated years of experience in the industry, combined with smart application of laser technology, Yawei Laser Intelligent Equipment business has achieved rapid growth in sales volume and market share. It is also one of the few companies with capabilities encompassing all areas of laser technology, including 2D cutting, 3D cutting, pipe cutting, and welding products. The Intelligent Manufacturing System Solution is a comprehensive business unit that focuses on the integration of Yawei CNC equipment, flexible units, automated production lines, production management systems, and smart factory services into world-class solutions for our customers all over the globe. Yawei is also one of the only system providers in the world who are capable of supplying complete solutions for large-scale discrete manufacturing applications. The robotic technology joint venture between Yawei and KUKA has yielded automatic assembly line equipment for high-end mainframes and industrial robots. This equipment has entered the automotive and parts industries and currently serves a number of world-renowned car companies. In 2016, Yawei completed the acquisition and purchase of APS software and smart information management software such as MES and WMS. At the same time, Yawei Smart Cloud System was deployed to provide remote diagnostic services and industrial big data analysis for the equipment out in the field. Yawei people strive to be leaders in technology and quality, and these are the strategic drivers that guide the direction that Yawei is heading as a company as we progress with independent, exciting innovation and the introduction of technological advancements. The company has state-level postdoctoral scientific research workstations, a provincial metal sheet smart equipment key laboratory, a provincial metal sheet forming processing equipment engineering center, and other research and development laboratories. In addition, Yawei carries out technical R&D cooperative endeavors with many universities. Yawei people always believe that the choices made in the marketplace are a testament to the strength of a technology supplier. Yawei products have been widely used in many fields such as automotive and parts industries, power and electrical industries, and professional sheet metal processing industries. These prestigious brands are currently utilizing Yawei equipment A real-world implementation of Yawei Smart Factory project in the automotive parts industry has resulted in a 40% saving in labor costs and significant increases in the quality of the finished product, thanks to real-time monitoring of the entire manufacturing process. Yawei's service philosophy focuses on smart and innovative solutions to allow customers to have no worries with Yawei. The constantly improving and expanding domestic and international service network, combining decades of hands-on experience with the industrial internet and the big data technology, has resulted in advances in remote monitoring and a predictive analysis of equipment operating status anywhere in the world. Through generations of hard work, through all weather, Yawei people have forged today's corporate culture of honesty, harmony, and constant improvement. With our strong history always forefront in our thoughts, this solid base allows us to innovate and grow whilst still staying true to our guiding principles born many years ago. Accompanied with the Made in China 2025 development strategy, Yawei has announced the goal of making manufacturing more intelligent and removing customers' worries, firmly adhering to the technology-leading development strategy with connotative development and extended growth as a two-wheel drive. Yawei will improve its product line of intelligent manufacturing products and services and focuses on discrete manufacturing, servicing these discrete manufacturing key industries with smart manufacturing system solutions consisting of hard plus soft plus cloud plus integration plus consulting. Yawei strives to make manufacturing more intelligent and to be a class-leading supplier of high-end equipment and intelligent manufacturing system solutions across the world.